Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the top 5 best self-cleaning litter boxes, perfect for keeping your home fresh and making pet care so much easier. These smart litter boxes are designed to save you time, reduce odor, and keep your cat happy without all the daily scooping. Check the description below for up-to-date prices and detailed product links. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Let's jump in, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Zcocio Open-Top Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The Zcocio Self-Cleaning Litter Box has made litter maintenance incredibly simple. Its spacious open-top design gives my cat plenty of room to move comfortably, and it's ideal for multi-cat households. The advanced safety sensors automatically pause cleaning when movement is detected, so I never worry about accidents. I manage everything through the smart app connectivity, which lets me monitor the litter box status, receive full bin alerts, and track usage trends. Setup was fast thanks to the snap-on assembly, and daily cleaning is easy with the removable liner and filter. It's also backed by reliable after-sales support, which adds peace of mind if any issues come up. The design is sleek, quiet, and efficient, perfect for keeping my home fresh and my cat happy. Whether I'm home or away, this litter box handles everything automatically, making it a smart and low-maintenance solution for pet care. Number 4. Fumoy Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The Fumoy Self-Cleaning Litter Box has made multi-cat care incredibly easy. Its 95L litter drum is spacious enough for multiple cats, and the 15L sealed waste compartment means I don't have to empty it daily, even during travel. The advanced safety protection includes infrared motion sensors that pause cleaning instantly when my cat enters, keeping things safe even with remote monitoring. I manage everything through the smart app integration, which lets me schedule cleanings, track litter usage, and get alerts when the bin is full. The leak-proof and reusable design includes a washable liner and removable tray, so cleanup is quick and eco-friendly. I also love the quiet night mode, which keeps things peaceful even during late-night visits. Compatible with clumping and silica-based litters, it's a reliable, low-maintenance solution that keeps my cats happy and my home fresh. Number 3. Parente's Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The Parente's Self-Cleaning Litter Box has made cat care incredibly convenient. Its open-top design with a spacious 16.5-inch by 16.5-inch entrance gives my cat plenty of room to move freely without feeling confined. The dual safety tech, featuring 7 sensors, pauses cleaning instantly when my cat approaches, so I never worry about accidental operation. I manage everything remotely using the smart app control, which lets me schedule cleanings, empty the bin with one tap, and track litter usage. The 10.5L sealed waste bin locks in odors and holds several days' worth of waste, perfect for short trips or busy weeks. I also appreciate the leak-proof and reusable design, with a washable liner and removable tray that make cleaning simple and eco-friendly. Despite all its features, it runs whisper quiet, keeping my home peaceful even during nighttime visits. It's a smart, safe, and low-maintenance solution that keeps my cat happy and my space fresh. Number 2. Tuioa Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The Tuioa Self-Cleaning Litter Box has completely changed how I manage my cat's hygiene. Its open-top design gives my cat plenty of space and comfort, while also improving ventilation to reduce odors. The intelligent safety system includes infrared and hall sensors that automatically pause cleaning when my cat enters, giving me peace of mind. I love how it runs at just 32 dB, making it a whisper-quiet addition to my home, even in the bedroom. The removable construction makes cleaning simple, with one-touch emptying and roller cleaning that keeps everything fresh without tools. It's also cost-effective, minimizing litter waste and reducing how often I need to change it. Whether I'm away for a short trip or just want to free up my hands, this box handles everything automatically. It's a reliable, spacious, and low-maintenance solution that keeps my cat happy and my home cleaner. Number 1. Pet Pivot Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The Pet Pivot Auto Scooper 11 has made litter box maintenance practically effortless. Its open-top design with a wide entrance gives my cat plenty of space and ventilation, which helps reduce odors. What really sets it apart is the multi-layered safety system. With 4 infrared sensors and 3 Hall effect sensors, it detects my cat's presence and automatically pauses cleaning to prevent accidents. The 10L waste bin holds several days' worth of waste, so I don't have to empty it constantly. I also appreciate the whisper quiet operation, running at under 32 dB, which keeps things peaceful even at night. Setup was a breeze. No Wi-Fi or app needed, just plug and go. The quick-release design makes cleaning simple, and the open interior means I can wipe it down without full disassembly. It's a smart, safe, and low-maintenance solution that keeps my home cleaner and my cat happier. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.